Volcano Acatenango hiking day. Here's the fit. We just packed all of our stuff up. Now we're gonna head over to the Wicho and Charlie's spot and hopefully make it up this volcano. I think that's how it works. This is me before hiking Volcano Acatenango.
This is me before hiking some volcano.
Acatenango.
Acatenango.
We're about to start. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
I'm nervous. Off we go. Here we go. How are you feeling after the first 18 minutes?
I'm okay. Right now.
He's doing amazing. And I'm dying. And that's 42 minutes in. More time passed than I thought, honestly. 42 minutes in. How are you feeling, Austin?
Great. Well,
he feels great. I think I feel the opposite of that, but it's okay. Here's the views. Gorgeous. Doing pretty good. Woo!
God.
Stop number 3. We are an hour and 22 minutes in. How are you feeling?
tired.
Tired but good. Hi, little horses. Aww.
Take requests only from my safety.
Hola. Oh my god. It hasn't gotten easier yet. Good job, babe. Killing it. Woo!
Wowzers.
There's trousers. It's been uphill the entire time.
The entire time.
The uphill trek has not stopped. But we're feeling good. We're making it. We can do this. Come here. Yeah. He's a good little baby. Here. He's a girl. He's a
Hurting.
Hurting. 2.5 hours in. Such good babies. Jacket is on. We're 30 minutes over halfway, and now it's time to eat some lunch. So, apparently the hardest part's over, but they did say that like an hour and a half ago. 3 hours and 20 minutes in, and it was uphill literally the entire time. So yeah, that's how we're doing it. Got some pasta for lunch. Alright, we only got like about an hour left. But we gotta carry our bag the rest of the way. So, here we go. Here we go. Austin's gonna do Fuego, probably.
Maybe.
I'm probably, definitely not.
I don't know.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Last break. How are you feeling, honey?
Tired. Horrible.
Oh, whatever. Last break,
No,
and we're
not that bad.
almost to base camp.
Not that bad. We're okay.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
That means there's another hill, huh? Of course. Okay. Oh, wow. Woo! Woohoo! We did it! Oh my goodness. Wow. Hi, Fuego. Beautiful. There's Fuego. Oh, so pretty. Good job, girl. Oh, we did it.
Because we want to spend like an hour right there. Most of the neighbors, they're going to with memories in your mind. Also, you have to bring good.
Oh, wow. Holy shit. That is awesome. Super cloudy right now.
Be cool.
It's a bit cloudy.
Bit cloudy and cold.
Yes, wait.
Here.
Do you have a treat? Oh.
Yeah.
You want a treat? They don't want the dog food. You just want your. So do I love it.
Wait, Aaron, smile.
I feel like I don't have
Right, wait, you can see the volcano.
yeah. Something amazing today. No, you're in an amazing place. You do not need to come down.
Right. Okay, amigos.
Yeah.
Oh.
Keep it going.
Turn around. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Passing it down.
Take one down, pass it around.
Movie, another. This is for your wife.
Yes, one
Oh,
more.
sorry.
Perfect.
Hot towel.
Oh, shipping. Say no more.
Oh, okay.
This looks delicious.
We need to fit one more on this bench.
Yeah. Is there room to scoot down a little or no?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, yes, there's room. The warm towel. We're freezing, but the views are absolutely amazing. This is the coolest thing. Yummy breakfast, banana bread, and breakfast burrito. Quite the view. How does it taste?
Good.
Ready to descend?
Ready to descend.
We're gonna try really hard not to fall,
So.
but we'll update you and let you know if we do.
Honestly, that's crazy.
Could see me falling right here. Oh. Okay. We just took a couple layers off because it's hot. You got short sleeves on. Oh shit. Austin's got the snack. What'd you get? Gummy worms. Not bad. Come here. You're a good girl. Yeah. So you're such a good girl. You're a good girl.
Watch out around here.
Oh, don't fall. Culabritas. Culabritas. Right at 3 miles, going downhill. So we have like less than 2.5 more. Hi.
Hey,
Haven't seen you in a while.
we're talking about trips.
Trips? Oh, I love trips.
You ever visiting Canada? Never.
Canada? I would love to. I never say no to a trip. Yeah, definitely Poland and then maybe a couple other countries around it.
Underrated place, so no more tourists, so that's perfect.
Yes, yes. So I'm super excited about that. Super stoked. I can't. It hurts so. My knees. Well, hey.
Hey, horsey.
What are you doing over there? Oh. Oh no. Don't get. Oh, you're gonna get tied up, honey. Oh. We are almost to the bottom. Just a little bit longer. I'm so excited. My knees hurt literally so bad. This is me walking backwards because my knees hurt so bad. I see the street. Believe it, baby. Come on. It's a dream. Dreams do come true. Just have to have a little faith. Oh, I haven't fallen once. Don't let me fall right at the end, literally. Shoot. Almost there.
What's the street?
We're talking about a minute left.
Okay. Street.
Oh, our feet hit street instead of dirt. Oh, yay! Yay! We did it! Woo! Woo! Yay! This is me after the hike.
This is me after the hike.
We did it!
It's done.
Made it all the way up, stayed the night, made it all the way down. Phew. What an experience. Hey vlog. The Airbnb was so great. The host he messaged us and said that we can get in super early, which was so nice. So we got in and got all cleaned up, showered, and we went the wrong way. Perfect. We showered up real quick and now we're gonna go grab a bite to eat because we're starving.
Marvin.
Starving Marvin.
Come.
Oh, hello. We got kick-ass massages. Now we're gonna go get some dinner.
Yay.
I can't remember what the place we're going is called. I'll let you know when we get there. But yeah, super excited, super hungry.
First day when I got here.
What's it called? Barriga Llena.
Alright, again.
Barriga Llena. That's what excites me in life.
Where are we?
Taco Bell. My favorite place.
Besides hanging out with me.
What?